Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. Today, we're taking a close look at the Hoover WindTunnel 3 Max Performance Pet Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, a corded upright vacuum designed to tackle everything from pet hair to stubborn debris. Let's explore the features that make this vacuum stand out in the crowded world of home cleaning solutions. The Hoover WindTunnel 3 Max Performance Pet is built to provide an intense clean, boasting a powerful suction system that traps even the most persistent debris. Thanks to its advanced WindTunnel 3 technology, this vacuum lifts and removes surface debris, pet hair, and embedded dirt, making it ideal for homes with pets or heavy foot traffic. The QuickPass Brushroll ensures faster cleaning with fewer passes, so you can cover more ground in less time. With a 30-foot cord, you'll have the reach you need for large rooms without constantly needing to plug and unplug, which is a big plus for those with spacious living areas. When it comes to versatility, the Hoover doesn't disappoint. The included Pet Turbo tool is perfect for tackling pet messes, whether it's on your furniture, stairs, or even your car interior. The pivoting dusting tool makes it easier to clean delicate surfaces and hard-to-reach areas, while the telescoping extension wand and crevice tool are ideal for targeting tight spots. All of these attachments help you clean your home from floor to ceiling with ease, giving you more flexibility than your average vacuum. One of the standout features of the Hoover WindTunnel 3 is its filtration system. Equipped with a HEPA media filter, it traps fine particles, ensuring cleaner air while you vacuum. Great for allergy sufferers or anyone sensitive to dust and pet dander. The 13 cyclones in the WindTunnel technology work in tandem to maintain consistent suction power throughout your cleaning session, so you won't have to worry about a drop in performance halfway through. The odor-trapping HEPA filter also helps neutralize bad smells, keeping your home smelling fresh as you clean. Putting it to the test in real-world conditions, the Hoover WindTunnel 3 performs exceptionally well on a variety of surfaces. On hardwood floors, it picks up fine dust and crumbs with ease, gliding effortlessly across the surface without pushing debris around. When switching to carpets, it does an equally impressive job of lifting embedded dirt and pet hair, leaving no trace behind. The QuickPass Brushroll makes cleaning rugs faster and more efficient, reducing the need for multiple passes. While it's great for pet hair, it also handles longer hair with ease, without much tangling on the Brushroll. For those who live in multi-level homes, the included tools are a real game changer for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and car interiors. The Hoover WindTunnel 3's maneuverability is solid, though it's a bit on the heavier side compared to some of the lighter, more compact vacuums on the market. Still, it's manageable for most users, especially when you factor in the ample cord length that minimizes the need for constant plugging and unplugging. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that like many corded models, the noise level can be a bit higher compared to cordless vacuums. However, it's not unbearably loud, and for the cleaning power you're getting, it's a reasonable trade-off. As far as value for money goes, the Hoover WindTunnel 3 Max Performance Pet provides a solid return on investment. For its price, you're getting excellent cleaning power, a variety of useful attachments, and a filtration system that's particularly well-suited for pet owners and those with allergies. The included tools alone make this a versatile machine that can tackle a variety of tasks beyond just floors, whether it's upholstery, stairs, or even your car's interior. Compared to other vacuums in the same price range, it holds up well, offering a good balance of features, performance, and durability. In terms of alternatives, if you're considering other corded uprights in the same category, you might also look at models like the Shark Navigator Liftaway, which is another popular choice for pet owners. It offers similar suction power and a detachable canister for more portable cleaning, though it's not as powerful on embedded dirt as the Hoover. If you're willing to spend a little more, Dyson's Ball Animal 2 offers superior suction power and a more refined design, but it's at a higher price point, which might not fit all budgets. The build quality of the Hoover WindTunnel 3 is sturdy. It feels solid in hand, and the plastic components don't feel cheap. The brush roll, hose, and dust bin are all well constructed and easy to maintain. Emptying the bin is simple and mess-free, and the filters are easy to clean. As for longevity, Hoover has built a solid reputation for making durable products that stand the test of time, and this model seems to follow that tradition. The parts are easy to replace if needed, and overall, it's a vacuum that should provide reliable service for years to come with proper maintenance. Customer support for Hoover is generally regarded as helpful and responsive. While I didn't have to personally contact them for this review, Hoover's reputation for handling warranty issues and offering replacement parts is well established. If you do run into any issues, you can expect to be taken care of efficiently. To wrap up, the Hoover WindTunnel 3 Max Performance Pet is a vacuum that offers great performance for a variety of needs. It's ideal for pet owners, large homes with different types of flooring, and those looking for a reliable, all-around cleaning solution. The power, versatility, and excellent filtration make it a strong contender in the corded vacuum category, especially for those who need something that can handle more than just floors. It's not the lightest option, and the noise level may be a consideration for some. But if those aren't deal breakers for you, this vacuum could be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching. The link to get your Hoover WindTunnel 3 can be found in the comments box below. If you've already tried it or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Goodbye till next time, and remember, we'll always help you clean up your choices here at Reviews Inside TV.